Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for a short video. Now, my breeding season kicks off in September, and it's personal preference. Some people like to pair up their birds later than others, so it's usually in September or October. So in September, it's a little bit of a hit and miss. Now, sometimes the eggs are fertile, some are infertile. Now, some breeders' opinions might be you parrot your birds too early. That can possibly be true, but also it could also be the age of the bird. So what I tend to find on my early stages of my breeding season, my older birds tend to fill eggs. Not only that, the hens have more experience. What you might find that if the eggs aren't being turned around daily, it can cause eggs or chicks to be dead in shell. So what I usually do is, especially with the younger hens, I sort of come in once or twice a day and very gently I turn the eggs myself. So sometimes you might get a young hen that she might be great and give you a couple of round of chicks and feeds them well and eggs are full and all sorts. But what I find through my experience, that the older birds are more successful, especially in the early stages of the breeding season. Now, what I also find is that different species of canaries would start later than others. Like I've said on episode 1, that I've got 3 generations in my family that have bred canaries. So my father, he also breeds canaries. He is a larger variety than what I have. He's got your fives, your Gloucesters, your borders, your lizards, your crestbred, and your English Norwich. Now, in one of the episodes, hopefully we'll do a season 3. I'll be over at my father's place showing you his birds. But we chat on the phone every now and again and just keep each other updated. Now, what my father's telling me with his birds, that his fives are thriving. They're doing very, very well at the moment, where other variety of birds haven't started. So in my case, I had a chick that hatched yesterday. One chick. Now, she was a young bird, red ringer. Now, I've got another pair that cock and hen are both blue ringers. And I'll tell you what, she gave me 5 fertile eggs. So just take a look. So, all right, guys. I'll be showcasing just some of my birds very, very quickly. And I'll see you guys all at the next little episode. All right, everyone. Have a good one.